We practice dentistry here comprehensively, but that means a lot of things to a lot of people. So I want to break it down into 4 pillars of dentistry. First level is prevent. That can mean regular hygiene checkups, encouraging things like night guards to prevent excess wear and tear on the teeth. The second pillar is repairing. When there are problems, we want to drill and fill as conservatively as possible, using the latest in technology to repair things as conservatively with as greatest strength and fit as possible. The third pillar is restructuring things. If you're having a filling or crown every single year, there's probably something upstream causing it. We want to try to restructure your bite in a way to preserve your health for as long as possible. The fourth pillar, enhancing. We want to make you look the best. Almost inevitably, when we improve function, we improve form, but we take it to the next level. So that's the difference we bring to you, is we bring help and we bring technology and we bring skill that you can only get here at The Simple Tooth.